So this is the pound dollar analysis for Wednesday, the 4th of April. Now, let's just have a look whatever the prices and where prices may likely go. As we can see here on the pound against dollar, we've been a bit of a tight trading range with a slight bias to the upside. Suggesting there may be that the market is waiting for some sort of a news event, whether it is pound related or dollar related. We'll have to see, but this price action is somewhat indecisive, even though there's a bias to the long side. Now, what can we see from here? So, even though we've had this move to the upside, it does appear weak at the moment. We've not seen the conviction that we did see in this sell-off here or this retracement. So this move to the upside does appear weak. So we'll see. As we've traded above the 24.69, we'll see whether we can hold this 24.69 for a continued progression to the upside. A move beyond which we're looking for see our prices direct around the 141 level, where we do have the 200 period moving average. We have to be aware of the 200 period moving average above us. Successful break from which we're then looking for price up towards that 41.18, and if we are able to hold on to the 41.18, we're then looking for price to progress towards that 41.96. I wouldn't expect prices moving much beyond 41.96. I would expect it to be far in the trade range, but if we do have a sufficiently volatile day, either in favor of the pound or in adverse negative for the dollar, we could see prices up towards our 42.66. Now, if we do see the breakdown, however, from where we are, to further confirm this weak price action just here, we are then looking for prices to break beyond the 400 period moving average and head down towards the 40.05. 40.05 is a major level marked out here in red, looking for potential bounce from that 40.05 towards that 40.69. If, however, we're not able to find support at the 40.05, we're looking for a breakdown towards our 39.42, and if we do see sufficient volatility to the downside, we could see 139 come into focus. We'll then have a look here at the daily chart just to see how price is developing here on the daily chart. And as you can see, after having this move upwards, posting a higher low, fairly strong move to the upside. We've had these three very strong bearish candles closing near their lows, with the exception of the first candle, which had quite a big range. But we have seen a momentum follow through to the downside. Now, this recovery here does appear quite weak, as we can see over the past 3 consecutive days. We've had bullish candles, but they're very small in terms of open to close, suggesting that there wasn't a greater degree of conviction by the bears. The weak to the upside, suggesting that there was some bearish overhang this market. The push up was not held, and the bears weren't able to hold the position. They had conceded it to the bears, and in that sense, we do have to be aware of the bearish overhang, the bearish momentum overhead on this market. So we are still bullish so far on the 4th. We'll see if we do get progression continue upwards, or we will see this breakdown, further confirming this bearishness that we've seen more recently over these 3 consecutive days of pretty strong selling. And with that said, that wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.